we see that there are a lot of people in the society, they don't have much education, they don't have much property, they don't have good social status also. Do you think that a personality is made by these all things? What is needed to make one's personality? What makes one's personality?
So one's personality is not defined by their work, where they are working, at how much big house they are living at, but it's made by how they behave to each other, how they would treat their family, how they communicate with them, how they help other people for their being. That makes a man's personality.
How a person looks, will you say that that's a personality? That somebody is very looking, very handsome or very beautiful, and that's the personality of him or her?
The personality is defined as that how we behave to them, like how kind we are to them.
Okay.
When good looks can't show good personality. When we stay with that people, when we communicate with them, their behavior, the manner of their talk, the understanding they does with do with us.
Means
So
personality is not that what is seen, what is appeared, right?
yeah,
Personality is something different. What is in your person, that's in your body itself, that can be called as personality. Your virtues, your thinking, your mentality, your behavior, those things will shape out your personality.
right.
There are some people who don't good, they don't look so good, but still their personality is very powerful. Can you tell me any examples of such people that they are not looking that much handsome or that beautiful, but they are very popular? Their personality is very impressive. Can you tell any of the names?
This example can be related to my father.
Okay.
At
Uh,
The thing is that yes, we are a middle class family. That we all are actually, but he always help others, like in family, in relatives. He always tries his best. He gives his
hmm,
100% to help them. In
correct.
fact, also we have helped many people for getting beds arranged, and each and every hospital knows my father very well, and
Wow.
have his own personality over there. Like he's not a doctor,
Yes.
he's not any high payment.
Authority in there.
Yes, but he's a normal PRO. But everyone knows him, everyone respects him.
Because of his behavior, because of his attending people and listening to their problems and helping them, supporting them.
And his good manners, the values he have taught
Carries.
by his parents, and
Correct.
the behavior what he does with other patients and doctors too. Big doctors, like reputed doctors.
Yeah, obviously.
Also,
Some people say that there are personality development courses in the society where you can go and have the shape to your personality, get your personality groomed. Do you believe that by such courses or by going there, we can have some change in our personality, in our thinking?
I think that personality developing course is inside us only.
Okay,
Like if we think, if we work on ourselves, then we can develop our personality. Others can't help us. If
okay,
we have the audacity to something, then we can do it. Others can just guide us, but what changes we have to do in our personality, that we can only do. Others can't do anything.
okay. Others can only motivate us to do the things. Don't you think that they motivate us and then we start to do something and then automatically our personality also starts changing? So they are
I,
also affecting us?
actually, they motivate us because we think that they are motivating us.
Okay, okay, okay. That is also our belief. That is also our thinking. Our
Yes, that's
believing
our
that they
belief.
are motivating us, so I have to change myself.
No, our belief is like that they are good person. See how they are reputedly working, how honor they are getting by other people's, how respect they are getting by other people. So we think that why don't we are not getting that the
Okay,
same.
means our personality is getting changed by observation only.
Yes,
We are observing other people, and then our mind thinks that I also want to do the same. I also want to be the same as the person is.
yes,
Means person should be a good observer. But if we see that only observation can make the person's personality, then why are everybody is observing that in the society? Everyone has eyes. Most of the people, pardon to those who don't, but all people, almost all people do have eyes and they observe and they see and they watch and look. Still, their personality is not groomed. What's the reason behind that?
observation is not the thing. We have to analyze it too. Like we have to observe first that how they are doing the step by step observation, then analyzing it that how we can develop the same thing, and then making improvement in ourselves, doing
Okay,
hard for
means
that.
do you mean that the wish to develop ourselves, the wish to improve ourselves, will or wish, that's very important. Not only observation, but the wish to do something, that is more important than observation also.
Yes, because from our inner heart we should have that feeling that we have to change ourselves.
Okay, yes, yes. Means that awareness, are you talking about the awareness?
Yes.
The person must be aware that he has to change himself. If one has that awareness, then one will start to do something better for you. What do you say?
When the person is fully aware that what he is doing, then he knows that what he is doing right or wrong. Like he's a good man or he's a bad man. If he knows that what work he's doing, how he's behaving with others, how aware he is about his work job, then he can definitely change himself.
Do you think that there are many people in the society they are not aware about it? They don't know about this?
In society, there are some people who doesn't care about what is
Who don't care, we have to say.
don't care. There are actually many peoples in the society who don't care about what is happening in their surrounding.
Okay. They're not ready to take any responsibility.
They are actually not interested to whether check that what's happening.
Okay. Means
So
they have nothing to do with them. Let be what happens. Whatever happens there, they don't have to do anything with that.
we will live our life. We don't care about others that what they are doing. They just think that what we are doing is right.
Hmm. Again, a new question comes out there, pops up, that some people are caring for others. They're having the awareness that I should do something for the society. Where other people, there are some people they don't care. Why does this happen? What is the reason behind this? Some people are very much caring for others, and some people don't. What is the reason behind that?
Then obviously the people are good at their thinking, their honesty, like their kindness. They knows what is right and what is wrong.
Does this goodness come with genetically?
No, I think that the goodness come with how we treat how how our surrounding treat us.
Means surrounding matters the most, and our genes.
I think that a good surrounding can change people
Okay,
person.
means it is very important that who is living around us, with whom we are living, what we talk with them, what subjects are we discussing. These all things matter the most.
Yes.
Okay, it was very nice to talk with you. Hmm. We'll continue this discussion in next session also. Thank you very much.
Thank you so